Hey everyone, welcome back Today we're going to show you how to make crispy and delicious French fries right in the comfort of your own home. Trust me, once you try these, you'll never go back to store-bought fries. So let's dive right in. But first, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. For this recipe, you'll need potatoes, preferably russet or Yukon Gold, vegetable oil for frying, salt to taste. Now that we have our ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. Step 1. Peel and rinse the potatoes to remove any dirt, then pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Step 2. Cut the potatoes into even-sized strips. You can make them as thick or thin as you like, depending on your preference. Step 3. Soak the potato strips in cold water for about 30 minutes. This helps to remove excess starch, resulting in crispier fries. Now that our potatoes are prepped, it's time to fry them up. Step 4. Heat vegetable oil in a deep fryer or a heavy-bottom pot to about 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. Step 5. Carefully add the potato strips to the hot oil in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the fryer. Step 6. Fry the potatoes for about 3-4 minutes or until they're just starting to turn golden brown. Step 7. Remove the partially cooked fries from the oil and let them drain on a paper towel-lined plate. And now for the final step. Step 8. Increase the heat of the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Once hot, add the partially cooked fries back into the oil in batches and fry until they're golden brown and crispy. Step 9. Once the fries are done, remove them from the oil and transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. And there you have it. Homemade French fries that are crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Now all that's left to do is sprinkle some salt over the fries while they're still hot and they're ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching.